How to send money using Zelle on your Wells Fargo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send money using Zelle on your Wells Fargo bank account. So to do that, first of all, open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the Pay and Transfer tab on the bottom side of the screen. After that, tap on the option Send Money or Zelle. Now make sure you are already enrolled to Zelle, and if you are not yet enrolled, I have a separate video on how you can enroll to Zelle on your Wells Fargo. I'll leave the link in the description. You can simply check that video out. Now once you're enrolled to Zelle, you'll have to first of all add a recipient if you want to send or request money from them. So if you already have some on your contacts, you can simply tap on the option Add from Contacts. But if you don't, simply tap on the option Add a Recipient. Now once you've done that, simply select a recipient over here if they are here, but if they are not, simply tap on the option Add, and then you can add a recipient by simply enter their US mobile number or their email, their first name and their last name. Now once you've entered all of those, tap on the option Continue. After that, tap on the option Continue once again. Now you'll have to enter the amount you want to send to that recipient. So for now, I'll simply choose $35. After that, you'll have to choose from which account you will be paying. So it'll be my checking account, and if you want, you can add a memo. Now once you've done all of those, tap on the option Review. After that, you will be taken to the review page, where all you have to do is simply tap on the option Send, and there you have it. So that is basically how you send money to someone using Zelle on your Wells Fargo. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.